video, I'm going to explain a modern east-facing house plan with a beautiful single-floor elevation. This plot is 27 feet 3 inches in the east to west and 43 feet 3 inches in the north to south. Total built-up area is 1,117 square feet, and carpet area is about 989 square feet. First, we look at the front elevation. This is simple and elegant contemporary style elevation with clean straight lines. On the left side, you can see a tall vertical block with grey brick texture and wall lights. This gives a grand look and makes the house appear taller. Next to it, there is a plain wall with a soft olive green color. In front of this, you can see a big black framed window that brings natural light into the hall area. In the center, there is a white textured wall with two slim vertical grooves. Above this, we have a simple flat roof with a recessed LED spotlight along the edges. On the right side, you can see the open terrace with a black railing. Below the terrace, there is a main porch and sit out. The porch is framed by a simple rectangular box production. Inside the porch, we have neat steps, warm wall lights, and planted pots on both sides to make the entrance more welcoming. From the side view, you can see more windows and small projections which helps in cross ventilation and also enhance the modern style of the building. Now let us move to the floor plan. This is a east facing house, so the main entrance and the porch are on the east side. As we enter from the road, we first come to the open porch area, which is 14 feet by 7 feet. This space is this can be used for a parking, a two-wheeler, places plants, and simply sitting and relaxing. From the porch, we step into through the main door facing west, which directly enter into the spaces hall or living room. The hall size is 14 by 14 feet, which is comfortable for sofa set and a TV and a small puja space if needed. In the plan, you can see the hall gets light from the big front window, which is saw in the elevation. Uh, this makes the living area bright and airy throughout the day. From the hall on the southeast side, we have a kitchen. The kitchen size is 11 by 11 feet, which is sufficient for a L-shaped or U-shaped counter. There is a window for ventilation above the cooking platform. The position of is convenient for placing the fridge, sink, and the stove with the proper work triangle. Uh, Close to the kitchen hall, you can also plan a small dining table either inside the hall or along the passage based on your requirements. Next, let us see the bedrooms. On the northwest side of the plan, we have a southwest side of the plan, we have a master bedroom. The master bedroom size is 16 by 11. This room has a space for double bed, side tables, wardrobes, and even a study table or dressing unit. In front of master bedroom, towards the south, we have a guest bedroom. The guest bedroom size is 11 by 11 feet 3 inches. This room is also planned with space for double bed and wardrobes. Both beds have windows on the outer walls, which provides natural light and fresh air. Now let us talk about toilets and wash area. On the northwest corner of the house, we have attached toilet, which is 9 feet by 11 feet. This toilet is attached to the master bedroom and making it very comfortable for owners. Just beside it, towards the north area, there is a common bath and wash area. Common bath is 9 by 4 feet, and wash area is 3 by 4 feet. There are placed close to the hall and guest bedroom, so they can be used easily by family members and visitors. There is also a separate toilet closet marked near the common bath, which gives privacy and helps better usage when many people are at home. Between the hall and the bedroom, there is a small passage for 4 feet 3 inches by 9 feet. This passage connects the hall to the master bedroom, guest bedroom, and wash area. The circulation is simple and clear. All the rooms are connected properly without wasting too much space or corridors. At the southeast of the plan, near the porch, we have a staircase. The steps go up to the from the ground floor to open terrace. On the open terrace, as you saw in the elevation, there is a nice open area with the parapet wall and railing. This space can be used for drying clothes, creating a small roof garden, or for further expansion if you want to add another floor. Since this is east-facing house, the main door is placed towards the northeast side of the east wall, which is generally considered good as per Vastu. The kitchen is in the southeast part of the house, and cooking can be arranged facing east. The master bedroom placed towards the southwest, which is also preferred location in many Vastu guidelines. You can see this keep or skip. So this complete explanation of 1179 square feet east facing single floor house plan and the modern elevation. We saw the porch, hall, kitchen, two bedroom attached and common toilet, wash area, staircase and terrace. If you like this type of simple and modern design, you can use this plan as it is or modify its plan as per your plot and the family needs. For more house plan and elevation ideas, you can check out our website www.houseplansdaily.com or www.houseplans.world. Also, our apps are available in the Google Play Store. House plans and designs, house designs and plan, plan list and design list. Thanks for watching.